Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. You guys, it was not my morning. I typically go to two Walgreens. I go to the one that opens early and I will take pictures, look for clearance. I normally look for all the best grocery deals there and snap the pictures to include. And then I go to my favorite Walgreens to pick up my curbside order and finish out my in-store shopping. Well, when I went to the first store, nothing was tagged. And so, like, no clearance, no regular store tags. So I thought, okay, I'll just go to the second store when it opens and they'll be tagged and I'll get all the pictures that I need. So I went to the second store, also not tagged. So I don't know if they had a super busy night or they didn't get their tags until later, but that made things more challenging for me because I don't magically know what's on sale in my head if I don't see the tags. So it just wasn't as pleasant of a morning as I was hoping for at Walgreens. I still got some amazing deals that I'm going to share with you guys. Grocery deals and then some personal care deals. I do want to tell you about two things before I get into the breakdown of the Walgreens deals. One, I always talk to you guys about Rakuten, which is a website where you shop through them at your regular stores and you get cash back. Walgreens is one of those stores. So we get 2%, 3%, 4% cash back when we're shopping at Walgreens doing our curbside or our online orders. But there are tons of stores that are in their portfolio of stores. Normally, if you are brand new and you use my link, you get $30 back when you spend $30. Right now, the deal got even better because you can get $40 of merchandise completely free if you are a brand new member. So if you're brand new to Rakuten, grab it with my link below, completely free. When you do your shopping at any of their stores online and you spend $40 out of pocket, okay, that's before tax, so it has to be at $40 before tax, you will get $40 back. So it is a great way to score $40 in free items. So check it out with the link that I will drop below in the comments as well as in the video description box. The second deal I want to tell you about, not a Walgreens deal, but it's one that I love and I recommend. We have used the EveryPlate and HelloFresh meal kit delivery service on and off for a couple of years now. We get it when we want, we skip weeks when we don't want it. And I've loved it because it makes it super simple. I don't have to think about what I'm cooking and then everything I need is shipped to my door. But the reason I'm mentioning it to you now is because they have a fantastic offer for new members. So I will drop those links down below for both HelloFresh or EveryPlate. We actually do both of them. EveryPlate is a lower price point. HelloFresh I like a little bit better, but I will alternate. That way I keep the cost down and I'm getting things that I love. If you have questions about any of that, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comments. I do have a full video on EveryPlate and HelloFresh. It was one of my first videos, so I don't like the video because I feel like I don't sound very good. I feel unnatural in the video, but anyway, I wanted to mention that to you guys. Now, let's talk about food deals over at Walgreens. Now, I placed this as a curbside order. You could do it in store if you want. I did it as a curbside order because I used a promo code, and the promo codes you can only use with online and curbside orders. So all of the Lay's chips are buy one, get one free. Now, the online curbside price is $4.59. So you'll buy two, your cost will be $4.59. Now, I used the code WAG10 and I got 46 cents off, making my cost $4.13. But then I submitted my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app where I got $1 back, making my final cost $3.13. Or $1.56 each. Now, let me tell you a few things about what I just said. The code WAG10, I believe, is a limit of 3 uses for your account. So if you've already used the code, it might not work for you. There was another code I saw for 15% off of a $30 or more purchase. That's OCT15. That would give you 15% off. Even if you don't use a promo code, it's still a good deal with the buy one, get one free. Fetch Rewards. So the Fetch Rewards app is a great app. It gives you points back, and then you can cash out those points to gift cards. So if you're not using Fetch yet and you want to see if you have that Lay's potato chip offer, grab it with my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Now, a little bit easier deal. The Cheez-Its, also buy one, get one free. They're 2 for $6, so that makes them 2 for $3. I did use that code WAG10 that took off 30 cents. That left me to pay $2.70 or $1.35 per box. Not a bad deal. The ginger ale. So these are 3 for $4, and a number of the sodas were 3 for $4. I noticed that was what my grocery store had them priced at. So it's just a decent deal that you could snag at Walgreens. You can use your Walgreens cash to pay for it, or you could use your register rewards to pay for it. We can't use that at our regular grocery stores, so you might want to pick that up this week if that's an item that you buy weekly. That makes them just $1.33 each. Now, this one right here, I was pretty happy about. These Finish Quantums. I love this product. It's $4.99. There is a $1.50 digital coupon that you can find in your Walgreens app. If you use the code WAG10, it's going to take off another 35 cents, leaving you to pay $3.14. But the Ibotta app has a $1.50 back, making your final cost $1.64 for this product. Again, you could use register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay. If you do this deal in store, not an issue. If you do it online or curbside, obviously you can't use your register rewards to pay, but you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for it. Simple deal with the Purex. These are the packs. These are 2 for $5. Ibotta has an offer for $1 back on each of them, so you would get $2 back on Ibotta, making them $3 total or $1.50 per bag. Now, if you're brand new to Ibotta, awesome deal. Use this code here because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, when I was in the store, I did the Burt's Bees deal because this is a register reward deal, which means you have to do it in store. These are $4 each. So buy 2 of them, you're going to get a $4 register reward back. So $4 each times 2 is $8. I had a $3 digital coupon clipped as well as a $2 digital coupon clipped. So I paid $3 plus tax at the register. I got back a $4 register reward, making them both completely free and a $1 moneymaker. That register reward that printed was a store register reward, not a manufacturer register reward. Now, also in-store deal, I picked up 2 of the Dove deodorants priced at $8, so that's $16. I had a $7.50 digital coupon, so I paid $8.50. I got back a $4 register reward. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards where I got $2 back, making my final cost $2.50 or $1.25 each. And this is actually the deodorant that I've been using lately, so I like it. Now, these are the register rewards you would want to do in separate transactions, okay? So if you're buying these together, you would want to split them into separate transactions to get that register reward. Now, the degree I did with my curbside order. I picked up 2 of the degree at $4.49. There's also a $7.50 digital for this one. So you would pay $1.48 for both or just 74 cents each. Another curbside deal I did was on the L'Oreal eye pencil sharpeners. They're buy one, get one half off. So these are $3.99 each. One will be $3.99, one will be $1.99. There's a $4 digital coupon you want to clip. That leaves you paying $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents each. And now is the time to be thinking about Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers. This would be super cute to throw into like a little cosmetic basket for someone. We can easily put together a cute, very nice cosmetic basket for just pennies on the dollar with our Walgreens coupons. All right, I believe that was everything except the clearance. So like I said, very little marked at all in my store. I'll include pictures at the end of the video of everything that I did see on clearance. But this Vicks ZzzQuil, it's the Restorative Herbal Sleep. It was marked on clearance for $2.79. I noticed $1.50 I bought a rebate, making it just $1.29. Now, normally I wouldn't buy that, but I wanted one. I wanted to be able to show it to you guys in case that's a product that you need and want. But two, I am really close to the Weekend Warrior bonus on Ibotta, which would give me $5 back for doing 15 offers, and I think I'm sitting at like 13 offers right now after this order. So I have just 2 more items that I'm going to pick up later at HEB, and I will get that $5 back from Ibotta. So not my favorite week because things just didn't quite work out this morning with the store being tagged, but there are decent deals, and y'all know I love good grocery deals. Trying to think of anything else that I wanted to tell you. I am planning to do Walmart and Target this week. I have plans with my parents today, this afternoon, which is normally when I'm shopping CVS. I had given my mom a gift for her birthday, so we're doing that this afternoon. So I can't tell you if I'm going to get a CVS video out or not, but the Walgreens video, the Target Walmart video, and then I'm planning to do an inflation buster challenge that will hopefully come out this week as well. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.